Dear parents, students, my dear staff members, and all the fellow Indians, I wish you all a very happy 75th Indian Independence Day. This is a day we all should be proud of. We should be proud of the sacrifices made by our ancestors, our freedom fighters, because of which we all are breathing in the free air and atmosphere today. But the message which I want to give today is that this independence has not come to us easily, and we should not lose it easily either. Why am I saying this? Is that independence was achieved only and only through unity, through united efforts of all the Indians. People fought together, irrespective of their caste, language, religion, states, or any other barriers. This is what we need today as well. Unfortunately, there are some selfish people who are trying to divide the nation and our people in the name of religion, caste, language, states, and many more things. But believe me, if the people of a nation are divided, if they fight in the name of all these purposes, then that nation cannot be independent for a long period. We have got this gift of independence from our ancestors, and it is our moral duty and responsibility to hand over, to pass on this independence to our coming generations. And for that, we all need to be united. We all need to be one. Each and every religion gives one single message, that God is one and we all are the children of God. So, how can we be different from each other? I request you all that when it comes to nationhood, then it should always be nation first. Nationality, nation, unity should be over and above all the other dividing factors. So let's take a pledge today that we all will be united and will not let these evil people be successful in their thoughts. Jai Hind.